I'm rebuilding this rare Honda from scratch. But I'm not building this Del Sol. I'm actually building this one.
But the deli didn't always look like this. It used to run and drive just fine until 4 months ago it broke down. And now I'm spending my time rebuilding it and making sure it's better than it ever was. But before that can happen, we need to do some cutting.
So today we are going to try to figure out how to solve this door jamb problem. It is very poorly welded by the previous owner. It's just super flexible right here. It is a problem for all Del Sols, where it just cracks in these 4 corners right here. Just from either shutting the door and also from the chassis flex. This thing has it out for every Phillips screwdriver out there. Ooh, total fire.
That's the inside of their welding job.
Come on, focus. Woo!
Beautiful.
That is a stunning piece of artwork.
Well, now that we cut out the bad door jamb, we need to replace it. To be honest with you, I didn't really know how. As you saw earlier, I have a wonderful parts car for the deli, and unfortunately, it is going to have to sacrifice by donating its door jamb for a door jamb transplant. But in order to transplant it, I need someone who can weld. And that's where Jake comes in. Jake has been welding for 2 weeks, and his welds are actually really solid. And you might be like, why are you letting him weld on your car? And it's because I'm taking a gamble on my best friend Jake. He's got this.
All right, boys, look at this. Wait, and girls, boys and girls, okay? For the moment of truth.
But before I show you the door, I need to address another problem. The rusty floor. Now, in my previous videos, I've shown this rusty floor, and I didn't really know what I was going to do about it. But now that I've already cut into the parts Del Sol, I think it needs to also make a floor transplant. I don't love cutting into my parts Del Sol, but it's already in shambles. It has no title. I need its floor, and it's for a good cause. It's making one Del Sol whole, while the other one, I don't know what the other one is doing, but someday it's going to run again. I just don't think it's going to be a actual Del Sol. So, anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the floor. So I started grinding on the deli, and I didn't check for anything underneath the floor because, you know, I didn't really think about it, and I cut into a fuel line.
Well, that was sketchy. I just cut into the fuel lines on accident. It smells like lovely gas in here. I'm not gonna go any further with the floor because I genuinely don't know what to do from here. I don't know if I start removing the tubes if the gas is gonna go everywhere. I don't have a 12-gallon thing to hold my gas. I know it's full because I filled it right before it blew up.
Hello there.
No, I have to figure out how to disconnect these fuel lines.
Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this was actually a struggle for me. These fuel lines are connected to also the brake lines, and they're just all next to each other, and I just had to kind of figure it out. So, I don't really know how to explain it, but I did. I disconnected them, but then my dad said this.
All right, so my dad got a little bit worried about me, and he said that if we're welding around the gas tank that it low-key could explode. So Dad, he decided to make me take out this gas tank. So that's the next order of business. We got 2 of the fuel lines removed. I'm probably just gonna stick with that, and I'm gonna have to remove the gas tank from that Del Sol and this Del Sol. So let's get going.
Fuel tank.
That is a fuel tank if I had ever seen one.
Now, what's cool about getting the fuel tank out is I can actually paint it and make it look pretty. Here we go. Now back to the door jamb.
For the moment of truth.
Oh.
Let's go, boys. And does it open?
Ever shut before ever.
Literally mint. I cannot tell you how important this car is to me. I miss driving this car so much, and I need you guys to like and subscribe right now to push this video out to the algorithm so that it can give me more motivation to finish this build and to continue on other builds in the future.
Thank you to everybody who has subscribed recently. I've seen so much love from the past video, and I just hope you guys have a good day. God loves you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.